Hey, it's Luke from Arbsession, and today we are going to take a closer look at our own Arbsession Rigging Thimbles. Arbsession Rigging Thimbles are made with high-strength anodized aluminum. They are perfect for making retrievable false crotches or a variety of other rigging slings. In some applications, they can replace a rigging block. Our rigging thimbles are created specifically for use in the tree care industry, with improvements over the original products from the maritime industry. Our thimbles have a wider rope groove to accommodate more appropriate sizes and types of rope for various sling configurations, and they have a gentle bend radius for running rope. Size 1 is for ropes 3/8 of an inch to 5/8 of an inch. The minimum breaking strength is 45 kilonewtons. The size 2 thimble is for ropes 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. The minimum breaking strength is 67 kilonewtons. The size 3 rigging thimble is for ropes up to 7/8 of an inch and has a minimum breaking strength of 110 kilonewtons. You can find our Arbsession Rigging Thimbles and many other great tree care products on arbsession.com. We would be honored to have your support. It is our goal to provide you with the best customer service in the entire tree world.